Here I have the Marshall's new Willen. So let's talk about sound quality, battery life, features and everything you need to know before buying this speaker. Before that, a quick word from our sponsor, Boom 3D. If you want to take your audio experience to a whole new level, you must try Boom 3D. Boom 3D will give you the finest experience on your existing headphones or speakers. Check out the link in the description. Recently, Marshall updated their whole lineup of speakers like Stanmore 3, Bourbon 3, Acton 3, Emberton 2 and the new Willen. So I was very excited to check those out, so I bought both Willen and Emberton 2. Today we are going to cover Willen only. If you want to check out the Emberton 2 video, you can do so from the top right corner. But here is the retail box. Let's open it up. So inside the box, the first thing we get is the user manual. That's why I take my time. Then we have star of the show, speaker itself. And down there we have a USB-C charging cable. Let's unwrap. Whoa, this feels premium. I mean, it feels like a top-notch product. Texture is really good, and yeah, that's what you expect when you buy a Marshall. To control the media playback, we have an appealing brass joystick on the front, so we can do all sorts of things like holding it down turns the speaker on or off, pressing it once play pause the track, up and down is volume, left and right is next and previous tracks, and if you hold left or right, it will seek the track. On the top, we also get a Bluetooth pair button which can be used to pair new devices and for enabling stacking mode. Now to check the battery percentage, we have a battery level meter on the right. It has 5 divisions, so we know the exact amount of battery left in the speaker. We also get an inbuilt mic and it is located at the top, so that means we can take calls directly from the speaker. Now there is no built-in voice assistant, neither we can use it from our phone, but still let's do a quick audio test to see how it performs. This is the audio quality test of the built-in mic on the Marshall's Willen. So this is what the person on the other side of the call would hear. One more thing, you can also answer or reject the calls directly from the speaker from this D-pad. So pressing it once will answer or end the call, and to reject the call you just double press it. For charging, thankfully we have a USB Type-C port on the left of the speaker. Talking about the battery, it has unknown amount of battery mAh, but the device comes with fast charging capabilities. Like if you charge it for 20 minutes, it will last for 3 hours, and full charge takes about 3 hours with 5 volt 1.5 amp charger, and then it will last for freaking 15 hours. It's insane. I mean, speaker of this size having this battery life, it's quite awesome. Now overall the device is quite compact and it is pocket-sized speaker as compared to the Emberton 2, which is more of a bar shape. This one is quite squarish and smaller in footprint. Traveling with this device doesn't feel like a burden. It's quite lightweight, like 310 grams, and overall feels like a dense and robust device. We can see the leather texture is like wrapped all around the device, and even though it's made out of rubber, but Marshall has done a great job at making this feel close to leather. It is so close that an average person won't able to tell the difference. On the front we have a metal grille with the Marshall logo, and behind that I'm not sure, but I guess it's a cloth-like material and you won't be able to see the drivers. One interesting design feature is that it has a strap on the back, so with the help of this you can attach the speaker to literally anything, or you can even hang it anywhere. It's quite secure and won't lose its grip. Now if you don't like it, you can also remove that, but I like to keep it on. Overall, speaking of the device, it feels very polished and nicely crafted. Materials are great and seems like a durable product. Also, to protect the speaker from water splashes and dust, this has IP67 water rating, so a little bit of water won't be an issue. Now, this smart boy is packed with tons of features, like we get Bluetooth 5.1 with dual pairing, so you and your partner can connect your phones at the same time and play your songs turn by turn. It also has decent Bluetooth range of 10 meters, which I have tested myself. Another great feature with the Willen and all the Marshall speaker we get is a dedicated app. Even though it has very bad ratings on the Play Store, but still you can download that from the App Store or the Play Store, or when you are setting it up for the first time, it will ask you to download the app. In the app, you can customize the sound type, like you can choose from these 3 presets. And this app also enables us to get OTA updates. Last but not least, we have stack mode. So if you have 2 Willens, you can just connect them together wirelessly and enjoy louder and stereo sound. Now there is one thing that I feel missing from this device, and that is there is no aux input. I know it's not that ubiquitous, but these days, I mean, still for some older devices, it would be nice to have. So those were all the features. Now let's talk about the most important aspect of any audio device, especially when you are balling with so much of money on a speaker, and that is the sound quality. So before going further, let's do a quick sound test so that we have a foundation to talk about. Now this sound test won't be as close as to real life experience because there are so many aspects affecting and deteriorating the sound quality, like this mic, the room, and headphones you are using, etc, etc. So take it as entertainment. So yeah, let's connect this, let's turn it on. Quite loud. Let's change that to push mode, bass boost mode. That's better. Let's change back.
I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you, but I don't care about that. But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can't burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, 'cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
Whoa, that was some serious sound test, right? Willen performed quite well. I mean, great thing about the Willen is that it has 2-inch 10-watt driver and dual bass radiator. I mean, one on the front, one on the back, and these three combined produces excellent sound quality. The frequency range is awesome. I mean, bass, mids and highs, all three shine through the speaker. It's very clear sounding speaker. You can hear all the notes and shimmer in the voice, and for the bass it's quite powerful. Now if you solely listen to bass heavy genres, then you will like to keep it on the push EQ preset as it boosts the bass. Otherwise the Marshall default EQ is best for all types of genres. Now when you compare this Willen with the Amberton, you will definitely notice the difference in sound, as it is open on both sides and it is louder as it has dual drivers. So you will find it to have better sound, but you also need to keep in mind the price difference. Marshall Willen is for $120 or 10,000 rupees, and the Amberton 2 is for $170 or 17,500 rupees. So the price difference is there, and what you are getting in that price difference is double battery life, 15 hours compared to 30 hours, and you also getting better and louder sound quality. Also, you are compromising the inbuilt mic and smaller form factor of the Willen. So the choice is yours. From my testing, I found both speakers to be best respective to their prices and compared to other speakers in the market. So you need to see what your budget is and what is must for you and what don't, like mic, battery and the form factor. So to help you out, I will leave the best deals link in the description below to save you a couple of bucks. But that's been it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.